Hello, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about basic Python functions for data analysis. These functions, you get to use them very well as you analyze your data. These are the basic ones, there are so many. The first we'll be looking at is number one, how to input value. How to input value into a running code or a program. Let's look at an example. Take note. Python is case sensitive, meaning name is not the same as name. So we use the word name equal to input. So anytime you want to input a value in a running code, you must use the word input. So this input, it will show, once the code start running, it will show what is your name. And when you put the name, it will not, this print statement, print is what will now display hello, the name. So let's run the code so we'll see how it works. Okay, so it's asking, what is your name? So I put my name, Esther, and I press enter. And it says, hello, Esther. You can see it, hello, Esther. So as I input it, it said, hello, Esther. Now this S here is formatting, trying to tell you that this name should be formatted as a string. So that is the meaning of it. Now, I was saying something in the comments. It said, note, Python name is not the same as name. So let's try it and you will see what will happen. So let's change this N to capital letter N. And run the code. Oh, you don't even need to run the code. You can see this red line is already showing error. It said here, look at it. Undefined variable name. So it's trying to tell you name is not the same as this. So let's take it back to the way it was. Okay, now we're going to look at the next one. Comments. When you want to comment out a code, you use either this hashtag or three double quotes like this. Your double quotes, 1, 2, 3. So that is how you use it. Now look at this, our writing, as in the things I've written here. You can see at the top here, triple quotes, and at the bottom, triple quotes. So what I'm trying to tell Python here is that don't execute these things I've written as a code. They are just normal text, just to explain what I'm doing. So that is the meaning of this. Or look at, I use hash here. That is for a single line. If you want to comment out just one line, you use this. But if you want to comment multiple lines, you can see we have so many lines of words or sentences. So that's why I use this triple quote here and this triple quote here. So we're going to do it in this our testing program. We're going to comment out. Sorry. So since we are done explaining this input now, I'm going to comment it out so that when I'm running the code again, it will not run it. You can see other codes I'm going to run are commented out already. You can see the triple quotes for each one. So as I want to explain, I'll remove the triple quotes, then run the code for it to understand what is happening here. So we've talked about input, how to input into your code. Now let's go back to our lessons, and we've talked about comments. So in the next video, we're going to be talking about list, dictionary, tuples. Now what are they? They are containers where you put your values that you can put into your code, or you can put the results of your code into them. Thank you.